This is the behind the back float. So this is different from the regular float because the regular float, you do it on the front swing. So with the front swing going dragon roll right to left, my right to my left, in your case in the video it's going to be flipped, but going right to left, I have the dragon roll front, back, all right? On the front swing, I'm going to release my right hand as it's going under, and then when it starts to come up, it becomes a bit weightless, and the momentum is going to naturally carry that handle over, and then you can catch it like so. So with the front swing, if you haven't really seen the tutorial video, you can go and check that out first. I'll link to it below. But what happens is you release the right hand, and then your right hand comes from the bottom over to the top of your left hand, palm facing up, and you catch. So it should just fall right into your hand, like this, all right? So with the back float, it's the same thing, but we do it on the backswing. So with the backswing, it will help a little bit to have your right hand come over to your left hip so you can release more easily. So it's coming over here, and then you release as it's going upwards, and that should create that weightlessness. And what's going to happen is your left hand is going to drive the movement like a regular dragon roll, coming from the back to the front. You might find that it will help a little bit to pull a bit more across your body. So instead of staying on the left side, your left hand will come over to the right side of your body a bit. So kind of pull the rope over like this. And then the way you catch is the same. Your right hand, after you release, it's going to come back to the front and come above your left hand, palm facing up. Like this, right? You may find that it'll take a few tries. Sometimes you may catch a rope further from the handle than you'd like. When you use your left hand to drive the motion, sometimes when you do the dragon roll, your rope is swinging quite far out in front of you. So here, you may want to have the rope come a bit closer to your body. So your left hand may want to swing and have the rope, I'll show you from the side, come a bit closer like this, as opposed to regularly when you have the dragon roll, the rope is could go quite far in front of your body, right? Because when it's closer, the line will be tighter, so that when you catch it, it's going to be a bit cleaner. So, all right, back, front, back. Whoops, see that one, it went a bit too far out. That's what I mean by having the left hand direct the rope closer to your center line, so it's easier for you to catch. There you go. Second is the timing of when you catch. If you catch too early, sometimes you catch too far up on the rope. So delay it a little bit and the rope will drop a bit more, allowing you to catch it closer to the handle. Front, back, catch, right?